extra metal drilled or added to my power steering bracket so I could add the third bolt that's missing on that bracket when you do the J Racing. When you do the J Racing upgrade, when you put that bolt, when you put that bracket, there's only 2 brackets, and it doesn't have you put that third bracket that keeps it from flexing. And I've been having belt issues like a mother. I got a 2-3-stroker. I got it tuned, but I keep losing belts in it every time I wind up. And it's just been a pain in the fucking ass. I can't even go to the fucking track because of that, because I just keep dropping belts. Every time I get on it, do a pull or something like that, it'll pop. And so with this new upgrade, with this bolt that I put, and with this thing that my boy put, hopefully it'll fix all that. Alright, so far so good. It's about 30% throttle right there. So far so good. Normally that would have popped off already. Fixed it, my ninjas. My power steering belt still on. Come on, y'all. I'm fucking juiced. I can finally track this motherfucker. The belt's still holding on. Yeah. So I just got the fix for the J Racing alternator relocating kit, you know what I'm saying, that everybody be getting for the DSMs. And for those that have the belt popping issues on the power steering pump from the 1G to the 2G specifically, okay? From a 1G block to a 2G power steering setup. If you know, you know. Sometimes you have belt issues, and I believe it's because that third bolt is missing on the power steering pump bracket, okay? Now, I've just gone through the steps to fix it, to weld, have somebody weld it, add more metal to it, and I drilled a new hole and grinded all kind of parts and stuff, and it's holding. I gotta fix that third bolt. Is very important. You need that third bolt to keep that pulley in line, keep the power steering in line. Because I mean, shit, if you got a couple hundred horsepower, you ain't got shit to worry about. But man, I'm pushing 400, and that's barely tipping. That's barely pushing the scale. Imagine 800 horsepower or something. Come on. But I got it fixed. About to hit a U-turn, head back home. pull it.